Hello, this is Joseph with Miami Real Estate Images. I just wanted to create a brief video showing you how you can book an appointment online. As most of you guys know, you can give us a call at 305-218-8925 and get in contact with our admin Felicia, who will help you schedule an appointment. She'll check the weather, the drone maps, she'll get you taken care of. But what happens a lot of times is you guys need us and it's after hours. So we do have an online booking platform set up that you guys can go ahead and book even when we're off hours. So all you got to do is go to www.miamirealestateimages.com, which is my website. And you can get to the booking page pretty much from any page on my website. So if you log in, right at the top, you'll see request to shoot. You can go ahead and click that. You can click book now. It'll take you to the same place. So let's go ahead and click book now. After putting in the address, the square footage, and room count, you can scroll down to see all the services we offer. At the top, we start with our full package and our packages at the top, and then eventually we go down to our individual services like basic real estate photography right here. If you click this link, you'll see that add-on options come up. So you can add drone photos, amenities, teaser videos, TikTok reels, websites, floor plans. So for whatever service you pick, oftentimes you'll have add-ons to choose from as well. So after choosing your service and your add-ons, you can go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here you'll have a section of photographers. All these photographers will be in your service area and can perform the assigned tasks that you chose. And then you can pick the day. I currently have it set up so you can pick the day and not the time. So let's just say you're aiming for Thursday. Go ahead and choose that. If you are already a client, you can put your current email address in that you've been using with us and password, and you'll be able to create a new appointment like that. And or if you're a new client, you can put your email address in and it'll prompt you for your name, phone number, and to set up a password, so on and so forth. So let's just go ahead and type in mine. As you can see here, my name already popped up. This is associated with my account. Scroll down, you can leave me a note here if there's anything specific you need me to know, i.e. gate code, lockbox, whatever the case is, something you want me to highlight. Here you can go ahead and put your credit card information. If you're a new client, it's going to make you put your credit card information. If you're a current client and we have your card on file, you can then also be sent an invoice. Please, if you're a new client, read over our terms here and just verify you're comfortable with all our cancellation fees and our policies, so you're aware. We're very transparent. Click agree and then place your order. So now that you have placed that order, we're going to get notified. We're going to contact you as soon as we're back to normal business hours, and we'll be able to set up a perfect time and date. We'll check the weather. If there's drone, we'll check the drone maps, things of that nature, so we can serve you best. That's how you book online. It's a very simple process. Once you've done it once or twice.